Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Bayelsans, behold your miracle governor, Senator Diri, a man of peace and integrity, determined to bring development to all corners of Bayelsa State. Senator Diri, a man on a mission for infrastructure revolution, educational emancipation, and the provision of affordable healthcare for all Bayelsans. Senator Diri, champion of empowerment and winner of several sporting laurels for Bayelsa State. Senator Diri, by the grace of God, destined to govern Bayelsa State for 2 terms. Senator Diri, working hard for a greater Bayelsa State.
Governor Diri says he's confident in the ability of the Bayelsa House of Assembly to continue to enact laws that will improve governance in the state and better the lives of its citizens. Governor Diri made the observation while proclaiming the inauguration of the 7th House of Assembly recently in Yenagoa, the Bayelsa state capital.
I, Senator Diri, Governor of Bayelsa State, in exercise of the powers conferred upon me by subsection 3 of section 105 aforesaid, and all other powers enabling me in that behalf, hereby proclaim that the 7th Assembly of the Bayelsa State House of Assembly shall hold at 1 p.m. or soon thereafter on Tuesday, 6th June 2023, at the Bayelsa State House of Assembly Complex, Yenagoa.
Inauguration of the 7th Assembly of the Bayelsa State House of Assembly was proclaimed by the state governor, Senator Diri. In a letter read on the floor by Clerk of the House, Kent Adogo, Senator Diri expressed confidence that with their experience, members of the Bayelsa State House of Assembly would continue to make laws to improve quality of governance. Right Honorable Abraham Ingobere, who served as Speaker of the 6th Assembly, was re-elected to lead the 7th Assembly. In his acceptance speech, the Speaker promised to enthrone inclusiveness in managing affairs of the House.
I promise to run an all-inclusive and open-door leadership because I know it's leadership among equals. While I express my heartfelt gratitude to all of you for finding me worthy as a servant leader.
In a related development, Bayelsa State's Deputy Governor, Senator Lawrence Erujakbo, has charged cabinet members to effectively manage affairs of the ruling People's Democratic Party in their various wards ahead of the November 11, 2023 governorship election. The Deputy Governor, who spoke on behalf of his boss at an Executive Council meeting held in Government House, Yenagoa, observed that it was imperative for cabinet members to fill the leadership vacuum in 6 out of 23 state constituencies that are under the control of opposition parties.
We expect leadership to be provided by ESCO members at the at the various local government level and at our various constituencies, because you have to complement the activities of your assembly members. As it is now, the combination of the commissioner for the constituency and the assembly member for the constituency will give us success. Where we do not have a member of the House of Assembly, then you take full charge of the leadership that is required for us to garner votes.
According to Senator Erujakbo, the ruling People's Democratic Party counts on its popularity to secure a resounding victory in the forthcoming governorship election.
We are aware of the gimmicks and the scheming of the opponents to use crude, rude, and uncivilized manners. But I can assure you there is already an ambushment for them by the grace of God. They cannot manifest the negative enterprise that they have. As you are aware, we are in a beavers election where it is the number of people who come to vote that counts.
With roughly 5 months into the November 11, 2023 governorship election, on-the-ground political activities have already begun in Bayelsa State. Intense politicking commences in June 2023 when political parties are expected to commence campaigns.
Inside the Niger Delta. Bayelsans, behold your miracle governor, Senator Diri, a man of peace and integrity, determined to bring development to all corners of Bayelsa State. Senator Diri, a man on a mission for infrastructure revolution, educational emancipation, and the provision of affordable healthcare for all Bayelsans. Senator Diri, champion of empowerment and winner of several sporting laurels for Bayelsa State. Senator Diri, by the grace of God, destined to govern Bayelsa State for 2 terms. Senator Diri, working hard for a great